Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term rim job. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, rim job is a slang term for oral stimulation of the anus. People use it when talking about a sexual act involving the mouth and the anal area. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Rim job first showed up in American slang by the late 20th century as a euphemism for analingus. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among adult communities and pop culture. Now let's check out how to use rim job in a sentence. Correct example 1. They joked about giving each other a rim job after watching the comedy show. Correct example 2. I heard he won't stop bragging about the rim job he gave last weekend. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said rim job at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using rim job right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Rim job means a slang term for oral stimulation of the anus. It started in American slang by the late 20th century, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with rim job in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.